Hey guys, this is Bucks County Paranormal Hero here, and I finally got my BMX bike in. It's a Haro, you can see. I bought off online. This is basically the Haro Mirra Pro Tribution bike. I had a Haro Mirra 540 Air when I was like 13 or 14 years old when I used to do BMX. I did BMX for like 3 years and I stopped doing it for a while. Then I started bull riding from 2009 to 2015. That's when I retired from bull riding because I was having like so many problems with my knees and having problems with my right shoulder from bull riding. It's not mechanical ones, I'm talking about the real ones. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this. Open it up. And it's 70% put together by factory. Just tape there. See right there. I have no idea what's in here. Oh, the handlebars. Okay. That's just the handlebars. And stuff. I don't know what's in there. The company sticker where I bought it from. By the way, I had to buy a new BMX helmet since I could not find my old one. So I got that one off Amazon. Got the handlebars here. Right here is basically the handlebars. The grips feel a lot different from what they used to be back then. See, it's not the knee saver ones, it's basically this brand. And this bike basically cost me $800. Put that away. The book, I don't know what this is. It's just the owner's manual. Alright. I'm not going to assemble it on camera. I'm going to do off camera because I don't know what tools I need. So far I know of it's already pretty put together. This is a seat post. Damn, Haro. There you go. So it looks like the seat goes on this. There's a seat post right there. Haro's Fusion. Okay, here's the bike itself. It's way more lighter compared to back then. The tires do need air, and the reflectors are we basically yanking off. Right there. The gyro, which I'm probably gonna have to upgrade, and has the 3-piece crank system. This is just for the chin guard, which I'm not going to install, so they just break off anyway when you're doing BMX. And here's like looks like aluminum pegs it comes with. It could be aluminum. Yeah, that's definitely aluminum. They're not the Haro Fusion pegs, which you have to buy separate. They put these in there just to drop the cost down, so it's not over $800. Comes with all 4. Right here. And accessories for your reflectors, like gas some more wires. And here's a Haro 1970 pedal. Zip tie. I think the seat's in here, actually. Oh, here it is. Right here, there's a little hole here. I don't know what the hell that's for. Right there, Haro bikes. I don't know why it's upside down. The original ones were reversed. See the Haro Mirra Pro Series. Haro. So yeah, this is based off his 2000 model or something like that. They really changed these since then. Because my Haro Mirra 540 Air was basically like the 2002 or 2003 model. And it was so different back then. And they were heavy back then compared to today's. Alright guys, so looks like I'm not going to assemble this today because I don't really have the time right now to assemble. Anyway guys, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the bike, and I will basically add a few at the end once I'm all done. It's all done and assembled. Alright, so the bike is all done. I got the brakes done. They're all adjusted. So only left is just put the air in tire, and I still gotta take that sticker off. The warning sticker. And just ride around once it's tires is filled. Well guys, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel.